When removing the window crank handle, make sure you park on clean concrete, just in case you drop the hardware. It will make finding it a lot easier. I'm removing the handle in a 2004 Silverado, but most handles have the same design. Start by pushing the door panel away from the handle and locate the retaining clip. Here's another view of it that might be helpful in explaining its position. The easiest way to remove this clip is to hook the top of the clip and pull it out. There is a special tool that can be purchased to remove window cranks, but you can make a tool that works very well. Here's what I made. I sawed off one side of a pair of tweezers and made a couple bends that will be used to hook the clip. Once you have secured the clip with the hook, give it a quick jerk and it comes right out. The only problem is the fact that it usually flies out, so make sure you're in a position to find it. Once the clip is removed, the crank can be pulled right off. Next, reinstall the window crank. Here's a helpful view of how to make installation a lot easier. Grasp the clip with a pair of hemostats or needle nose pliers. Then push it halfway on, barely into the receiving slots. Once halfway on, release the grasp. At this point, the crank can be slid onto the crank post, and a screwdriver can be used to push the clip on the rest of the way. Once again, start with the clip halfway on, slide the crank onto the post, and use the screwdriver to fully engage the clip. Manipulate the handle until the clip snaps into place. And finally, give the handle a good tug to make sure it's secure.